Hi.
Hi.
How old are you?
I'm 4.
You're 4 years old. Do you play any games or not?
I play any games like
Parking. It's also car.
jump.
Parking jam.
There's a Mercedes-Benz got love under there.
Ooh. Mercedes-Benz is really cool. Hello! Right mga kaakibat, it's Sunday, it's September 18, 2022. And right now, we are here at Ouzo Restobar dito sa Mamay Road, Davao City. And ang daming nangyari sa akin ngayon today. Bakit? Nakapag-attend ako ng BTS event sa Abriza. Meron pang cosplay event sa Victoria Plaza. And right now, since nandito naman tayo sa Ouzo, we are going to have a very special vlog dito mismo. Today is the reopening of Ouzo Restobar. Meron daw special guest. Oh, ano kaya yun? Sino kaya sila? Naku, meron tayong special guest na dadating sa Ouzo for the reopening of Ouzo Restobar. And right now, let's meet them later on kasi ang tagal ko nang pinangarap na ma-meet sila. And lagi ko namang nagsishare sa mga Facebook pages nila na hopefully manalo ko sa mga sa mga paraffle nila. This is the way that we can meet them. So, tara guys! Let's dig in!
Meanwhile,
okay guys, we are here together with the team Davao Food Guide right there. Davao Food Guide is here. Guys, it's the first time that we met them after so many years. So tara guys, we have a meal later sa taas. Diyan tayo magmumukbang sa taas. We are going to talk with Davao Food Guide. So tara guys, let's enjoy the vlog.
montage.
Okay, mga kaakibat, we are here with Davao Food Guide. Sila ang pinakasikat na hello Gigi. Hi. Sila ang pinakasikat na food guide dito sa Davao with over 400,000 followers sa Facebook. And look at her, what she's doing is she's taking pictures.
This is Sony A6000. It's my first camera.
Oh.
So I just changed the lens over the years.
Wow, ganda ma'am. Honestly, it's my opportunity to interview with them. Grabe. Papunta na ako ma'am first. Kalos ako makadaog ma'am.
Pag mag-follow instructions ka,
Yeah, of
madawag
course.
ka. Ay, siya joke winner.
Nice.
Among gi-ask kay, pili ka dish sa... Kasi mo gusto tilawon diri. Yang tubagan na is, ma'am, gusto dito makatilaw diri mis kanong sa Spotify. Sa kung kasi, like, which dish mo gusto tilawon diri or kinsa mo gusto dalawon diri dapat tubagon nimo siya kay pag tubag nimo ay ganahan dito mo tilaw dira adto ko dira maadam sen paghihimo nimo let me answer ang question.
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
Now we know what to do, guys. Okay, sa mga taga Davao dyan, we need to follow instructions. Okay? For how many hours mo siya ginahin mo, sir?
Yes.
Wow.
Dagan kayo pala nag-follow instructions.
Nadyo.
Pero na po sometimes one draw lang.
One draw.
Oo, so
Pero sa mo nag-so good aning Davao Food Guide?
we started 2017
Oh.
and dito mi nag-active yun na nag-post mi but 2010 pa lang nag-exist na ang page.
Ah,
It was
nice.
created by Mr. DFG.
Mr. DFG
So, Mr.
himself.
DFG nag-create sa page.
Yes.
Share my surprise for you.
Wow! So far, pila ka restaurants sa inyong na-feature, ma'am, as of the moment?
Wala ako kabalo, pero I think it's about more than 400, 500 naman siguro.
What?
I think, sobra pa, maybe 700. Sobra pa.
That's why they are the most trusted food guide in Davao City. Grabe.
Start me hobby.
Yes, yes.
Until such time that we get paid na to pero taud-taud po because this is really a hobby na nakaingon dito ba na my aim really is to help businesses and makita ko na Thai restaurant dili niya kanang lamig man ang food niya walay tao maluwi ko ba. It's a directory dude. If you can observe, it's really like a directory of food places to eat in Davao. We're not food critics, we're not like reviewers.
Yes, yes,
Although
yes.
pag ganahan ni sa food, we really tell you na, you know what, I really love the food here, or we try to connect the restaurant to its target market.
Kasi yung mga advices ni mo, ma'am, na ihatag sa itong mga aspiring at YouTubers, ma'am, like me.
My
Yes.
advice really to bloggers and bloggers everywhere is be a content creator. Do not be like confined ka na, ay gusto lang ko dagan kong shares, dagan kong ana, but what if dagan kay kag followers pero wala kay tinuod na kanang murag kabalo ka na ginatangkilik yun ka.
Yes.
Ang lamig yun is kanang kabalo ka gi-follow ka nila kay kaila sila nimo. And how to do that is create original content. Mo gid akong advice.
I'm really thankful, ma'am, to be honest. Anything else, it's really a blessing na naamo din rin, ma'am. And ma'am, daghang kay salamat, ma'am, na ma-feature.
Thank you. And be humble po dahil number one. Or
That's true,
one
yes.
of the top na be humble. Keep your feet on the ground. My success is seeing them na dagan sa customers na po yung mga tao niya to sila ha. That's enough for us.
That's
so kung sa imong success is always from God. So
Yeah, that's true, yes.
count your blessings na blessed tayo ta. So
Yes,
I'm,
yes,
I'm
yes.
really blessed to be given a job. Na wa man gani siya naga-exist. This job does not exist. You cannot apply for it.
That's true, yes.
So, ko gihatag siya sa Ginoo sa kuha ganina. I get to do what I'm doing. I love it every day.
Ma'am, thank you so much sa
Thank
mga
you.
advices, ma'am. Okay, mga Kaakibat, Davao Food Guide! Yay!
Meanwhile,
Okay, mga Kaakibat, so ito na po yung mga food na in-order namin. Here it is. Here is the fish fillet na in-order ko. The cheese sticks. Looks good. And ang paborito kong sisig. Ito na. Sisig na naman tayo, guys. Alright, mga Kaakibat, let's dig in. Alright, mga Kaakibat, let's dig in. Cheers. Okay, sisig guys, that's this. Yung gusto ko with mayonnaise, then medyo well done yung egg. Guys, unang kagat para sa inyo. Cheese sticks guys. Let's dip it. Okay, this is their fish fillet. Let's dip it to the sauce. This day is really amazing, mga Kaakibat. I never expect na dadating ang Davao Food Guide dito sa Ouzo. And ang bait talaga ni Ma'am Dayan, sobra. They give us advices, they give us tips or ideas on how to become a good content creators. Especially like me as a YouTuber. Tama nga sinabi ni Ma'am Dayan, be humble and always stay positive no matter what. Kasi we're giving positivity in each and every restaurant or every events na napuntahan natin o na-feature natin sa ating vlogs. I don't know how to say, but it's really a blessing this day. Grabe. Kapati ng barbecue. Let's try this. Ouzo Restaurant is the best place for hangouts right now. They serving beer. The ambience is so great. Lalo na dito sa second floor, we can see all the views in Davao City. Grabe. The food is great. Let me tell you that I can guarantee you it's really, really delicious. I know Ouzo Restaurant for years, since nag-start sila since 2013. And Ouzo is really, really on top of my list sa mga vlogs ko. They have the most delicious food. The staff is really friendly. Well, let's bite. We're done. We're done.
The next day,
Hello mga kakibat. Sorry kung hindi ako nakapag-outro nung last Sunday kasi nagmamadali kasi kaming umuwi noon kasi pagod na yung lola ko, ganun. But the good thing is nakapag-selfie rin ako sa Davao Food Guide before ako umalis. All I can say last Sunday was really it was really a blissful moment kasi at least man lang nakapag-relax na tayo. Pumunta tayo ng mga events like BTS and yung cosplay sa Victoria Plaza. At saka nung paghabol ko doon sa Ouzo Restobar, it was really an unexpected day kasi nga dumating yung Davao Food Guide team and I was super blessed to have an interview with them. Kahit pa paano, sana man lang next time makakolab din kami someday. Davao Food Guide, baka naman. Alright, sa mga gustong pumunta sa Ouzo Restobar, makikita nyo lang yung address dito at sa description box. And don't forget to follow Ouzo Restobar sa kanilang Facebook page. And again, don't forget to follow Davao Food Guide on Facebook. Once again, for the team Davao Food Guide, I would like to say thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to have a vlog with you, although you're really busy. Okay, sa mga bagong salta lang sa aking channel, all you need to do is to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring a bell para updated kayo. Don't forget to share as well. And again, I would like to thank Nofcksgiven Creatives. Just like their page, okay? Alright mga kakibat, see you again next time. Bye!